Hey, here I am with the CMF Watch Pro and the Apple Watch SE Series 2, and let's actually check the heart rate on the both devices. So first let's do this on the CMF Watch and now on the Apple Watch. So let's see how it actually goes. So currently on the Apple Watch we've got 78, and on the CMF Watch we've got 73. Let's make for another few seconds. Okay, it just disappeared because of the always in display, but let's wait for another measurement. Okay, now it's actually 66. So as you can see, currently it's almost the same. Yeah, so it looks like there's like 2 point of the heart rate less on the CMF Watch Pro, and on the Apple Watch it is actually 2 point more, but devices are really close with the result. So yeah, that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.